Here's how to use a Booking.com voucher. Booking.com processes vouchers through a two-step system. Instead of typing a code directly at the payment window, you must first deposit the voucher into your secure digital Booking.com wallet. To do that, open up any web browser and go to Booking.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon. From here, select the option of Rewards and Wallets. Here you want to tap on Add a Coupon Code. Now enter your coupon code over here, then tap on Add Code. Now the system will immediately validate the code and convert its face value into travel credits. Now to spend your credits on Booking, you want to go to the main search bar. Here type in your destination and dates. Now go ahead and look for the property that you want to book. Now select your room and select Reserve. Follow the on-screen prompts and get to the payment section. On the payment section, look for Pay with Wallet or Use Travel Credits option. Check that box. The system will automatically deduct your voucher balance from the final order summary. In this way, you can use a Booking.com voucher. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.